Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new here and are into luxury handbags and shoes, then please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's video is a very exciting one for me because it is an unboxing of one of my most favorite pair of shoes. And as you must have already seen from the title, they are a pair of Louboutins. So here they are. My new babies! Yay! I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Okay, so I purchased these from Level Shoes in Dubai Mall. So this is what the box looks like. And this is the description. Follies Strass. 85mm is the heel size, and this is my shoe size, 37.5. I am generally a size 37 in all brands and even in some of the other styles of Louboutin, but in this particular style, that is the Follies Strass, I found 37 to be a little snug, so then I opted for 37.5. So this is the receipt. This is the receipt. Love your red soles. Well, I certainly do. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my God. Just look at this. Just look at these beauties. My God, they are beautiful. Can you see the shine? Oh my God. They're gorgeous. Believe me guys, they are gorgeous. They're even more beautiful in real, I tell you. And this is glittery, I don't know, like there's glitter at the back. It's silver. Can you see how they're glistening? Literally, just look at these. So this is what they look like. This is mesh, as you can see. It's kind of like a light nude beige, nudie beige mesh, almost like transparent. And these are the crystals. This is the heel. Let me take out the other pair. There you go. Let me show you both of these together. My God. Just look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Ta-da! My new Louboutins. Yay! There you go. Okay, so these retail for 4,250 dirhams on the Dubai website, and as far as the sizing is concerned, well, for me I had to size up half a size up because I think that the cut of the shoe is such that they might be a little snug over here. Although it is mesh, it's not leather, so they're not very tight, but just because I did not want them to be too snug, and then the shape of my toes showing over here, and sort of then the actual shape of the shoe won't remain. So that's why I wanted to just go half a size up, and also to be a little more comfortable. Although as far as the comfort is concerned, I can't say anything yet, because I've just tried them on in the store, and at that point they seemed okay to me. Plus I was too excited to just purchase them and own these beautiful slippers. So I just went ahead, and so after a few wears I will let you know about how comfortable they are. But in store they seemed okay to me, and also because of the heel size, which is 85 millimeters, it is not 100 millimeters, so it is more doable. I do have other Louboutins in Iriza and in Galativis, which are 100 millimeter heels, but in this one I just chose to go 85 millimeter. I was like, these are also a good size actually. What else can I say? As far as the quality is concerned, it's exquisite, it's beautiful. I mean, they are really well made shoes. I love them. And what can I say? They can actually make any outfit look beautiful. Like I'm wearing a black silk top right now. I think they'll look beautiful with these. If I wear let's say black pants with this top, it would look amazing. It would look good on silks, laces, solid colors, formal wear basically. I don't think they are casual shoes at all. I personally wouldn't wear them casually because of the style, and I wouldn't want to ruin them, and especially because they're such expensive heels. So I will definitely baby them, I know that. And I actually baby even my Orans and my Douai sandals and my Fendi slippers. So I am like that. So I know I will really baby them a lot, and I will be keeping them exactly the way they were given to me. Um, so what else can I say about them? Are they worth it? Good question. Are they worth it? Well, what can I say? Well, I think they are classics. What do you think? I think even after 10 years, they'll still look good. After all, they're red bottoms. So, I think they are classics. I think they should look good. Even after 10 years, 15 years, I could still be wearing them if I'm alive. I think they can even be hand-me-downs, to be honest. They're beautiful. They're just beautiful. Just look at them. Just look at them. Oh my god. But can you justify the price? I don't know. I don't know. I can't say anything. It depends on what can I say? Everyone has a different opinion. But I love shoes. I love luxury items. I love owning them, and I love using them, and plus I feel I also really take care of them. I don't ruin my shoes, my bags. I keep them really nicely. So that's why also I feel and plus I mostly go for classic styles. I generally I don't go for trendy pieces. I go for classic pieces which I feel are more wearable and more practical, or let's say which I feel would be in fashion even 10 years later, 15 years later. So those are the kind of pieces I like to own. So that is why I'm telling you, if you're into luxury handbags and shoes, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Sorry, that's really lame, but anyways, um, but really, guys, I mean, I think there is so much I want to discuss with you guys. There is, I mean, I would love to interact with you all. Please tell me, ask me questions in the comment section below, and I would love to reply. Tell me what you want to see. I have lots of bags and handbags and shoes which I would like to reveal, and there are also some unboxings coming up inshallah soon. So so I'm sure you won't be disappointed if you subscribe to my channel. Anyways, and about these shoes, I think they are beautiful. I'm really happy to purchase them, and let me know. Actually, I would love to know from all of you what you think, if they are worth it, or if you can justify buying these, if you think that they will be wearable even 10 years later. Do you think they are classics? Do you think they are trendy? What do you think? Tell me. I would love to hear from you. And that's it from now. That's it for now, and it was a pleasure talking to you, showing you my new babies. Bye bye.